Just amazing how they have a plan, you know? There's guys coming in and guys going out. Look at the size of the things they're carrying. Are you videoing now?
Yeah. Woo!
Sit by all these.
That's cool.
You turn out?
I don't know.